Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to this video, which was supposed to be a stream, but somehow I did not manage to get the internet up and running, which is getting pretty annoying, I must say. But I'm gonna do a video on just what I am doing and what I've been doing this week. So if I am able to get the chart up on the screen, and I'm not. So let's try this one more time, and this is not the first video I've done today. I've started once and stopped and started again because I can't get the chart up. So please get the chart up, Mr. There we go. Alright, so now we can hopefully continue with this video. We just adjust the chart here so you guys can see my face and the chart, and we're good to go. So yeah, I was trying to stream earlier, but it just didn't happen. The internet here is out of control bad. I gotta admit, I'm running out of ideas on how to improve this sucker. I'm gonna spend a few minutes though after this video trying to figure it out. It's a matter of getting the booster close enough to the router to manage the best signal and hold. So yeah, I'm gonna spend a few minutes after the video doing that. So this is the trade I have going on right now. This is the dollar CAD. I'm up currently this week about 300 pips, so that's pretty nice. Last week was pretty nice as well, up about 500 pips last week. So we're getting there after a horrendous August month. We basically covered August in this first 2 weeks of September. Pip wise, so what's up now with TradingView? Live stocks, index and futures. Yes, that is correct. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about how things have started in September. Other than the whole internet fiasco and the streaming fiasco thing. So I'm gonna make a short video here. People never watch the whole video on the stream regardless, so let's just make this a short video here. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm currently in. That's the dollar CAD. What's on my radar here is the euro dollar cipher pattern as well. These two are gonna correlate. So or maybe not. Where's the I don't have the correlation thing. But they tend to correlate opposite. So when the euro's going down, the euro dollar is going up, the dollar CAD is going down, and so forth. So we're currently going down here on the euro. Let's see what's happening on the dollar CAD. We should be going up. Yep. So I don't know the correlation between these pairs right now, so I don't have the chart. We can find it here real quick. Show you guys how to find the Oanda heat map. Google it, and it's the currency correlation map here. Not the currency heat map, it's the currency correlation. So here's the currency correlation. Let's see what's up with the and I'm ready to get the map right now. Right now. Oh my god. Anyway, so yeah, I'm trying to get or I am short right now. There on the euro dollar, there is definite pressure to the downside here on the euro dollar. As you can see, if you take a look at the wicks. So basically, if this drops right here, that dollar CAD is gonna rise, and hopefully it's gonna be the opposite. We're gonna get a push to the upside here, and activate my cipher pattern before going short. So we'll wait and see what happens right there. Pound dollar, still waiting on the completion of the bat pattern here. You can see we have an ABCD into that same zone of completion. If we break through that, there's the cipher below that, which I will not be taking, just because it's too large. But if you can swing it, go ahead and take the cipher pattern. It's gonna cost you a few pips to get involved with that. If we hold the ATR, which is not definite, it's gonna be, let's say, about 50. So it's gonna be probably around 170 pips of risk versus about 286. So it's better than the one. It's better than 1.5 to 1. So it's a nice risk to reward on this pattern here, but it's just too risky, or too many pips for me. Dollar yen, I've been trying to short the dollar yen for some time now, just haven't got the chance. I've been waiting for a bad completion on the dollar yen here, as you can see right here, which will be my shorting opportunity. We did hit the trend line here, the infamous bigger trend line. So it's just a waiting game now. We did hit it right here. We got this nice pin bar candle, which would have been a nice short, but I'm gonna wait for the bat here, for the market to extend here. Pound yen, I got a nice win on the pound yen here from this cipher pattern on the 1 hour. You can probably see it better here on the 1 hour. I think I've been posting every trade on TradingView I took, so you can go to tradingview.com and find me there. Forex viewers, just look me up if you can't find me, and you can see all these trades there I've been taking the last 2 weeks. I think I posted every trade I've taken. So got filled right here, so we can move this like so, and we hit the targets right here. I got a little extended on the target, so I got A small plus on the pound yen here. I was watching this and I canceled I took profits right here. So that was pretty nice. Got about what was it, 140 pips or something like that out of that one. Haven't really gotten anything on Euro Yen or New Zealand dollar. There is a cipher pattern here on New Zealand. A long way to go though for the completion of that, but we also have, if I'm not mistaken, a smaller pattern here. So the cipher would definitely be a 4-hour pattern. This bat pattern right here would be a 1-hour pattern. So there have been patterns all over the market the last couple of weeks. A lot of these improved or advanced patterns on the market. So we can watch out for the bat pattern here on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Definitely going to be entering that. The 4-hour cipher pattern is going to be, I haven't measured it out. It might be too big. We'll wait and see here. Hopefully we can just hit the bat pattern and get profits from there. So dollar CAD, obviously I'm short dollar CAD. We'll see what happens with that. It's not looking too bad. It's not looking too good either. This candlestick right here is definitely concerning me. I'm gonna have to break these lows here for me to be calm on this trade. But I do like the level here. I do like the entry. I like everything about the trade. So you can see why I'm shorting this. This is the highest level here. We could get a small push higher here into my green zone here. Hopefully we won't push through and break it. Hopefully my stops will hold. But I'm not too worried about the trade, even though we get a small push again up into the green box here. So hopefully we can get something out of this. There will be some challenges on the way down here. You can see we have a lot of structure to get through in order to get to the targets, but I think this is a nice first target to have right here, as you can see by these arrows here. And I'm probably gonna be managing this if we can get down to here, at least moving my stops to break even, and maybe shooting for the extended target as well. But I will most definitely be managing it throughout if we're gonna trend down. I'll be moving my stops accordingly. Aussie CAD, nothing on the Aussie CAD that is interesting to me just yet. We're kind of been consolidating here. We might get another pattern in here. No, not another pattern here on the 4-hour. But it's definitely gonna be interesting to see which way we are going to go here on the Aussie CAD. As you can see, we've been consolidating here to the upside for some time now. So we might get a break to the up or downside here. I'm favoring the downside, but nothing there for me to trade just yet. What's this? We might get are we lower here? Yeah. Yeah, it's not gonna be a pattern. Dollar CAD, similar story to the I'm sorry, Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar. Sorry, similar story to the Aussie CAD. So it's a nice short here, especially you get this rejection here on the candle here. My problem with it is that I can't really see the Aussie dollar going any lower. I mean, I can see it going lower, but this is what is concerning me here. This wick right here and this guy right here. So you can see we came down into that area, and we are getting some issues here. So there's definitely some support here. I'm just not sure on which direction the Aussie dollar is gonna go. You can see we hit the previous structure point right here with this wick, and then got sucked back down, which kind of indicates there is some pressure to the downside. So we could be heading lower here. I just I mean, I have no place to put my stops, and this is still concerning me. So I would want to see a break here before, or at least a break right here before heading any lower. If we do get the break, there are some levels here, right here, here that are concerning. So it's probably not gonna be as clear as these two drops have been, but you'll never know. You never know. The main thing is that there's definitely some pressure to the downside here. An opportunity, yes, just not. I don't think it's too good. But I'm still favoring the downside if we're gonna be, if you put a gun to my head. So short video. This is what this is what I'm involved with right now. The dollar CAD. I have the New Zealand dollar on my radar, and I have the Euro dollar on my radar as well. And hopefully we can grab some pips. I mean, it's Thursday. We're getting close to the close of the week, so we'll see what happens during today's session and tomorrow's. I don't know if I'll try to stream tomorrow. I'm gonna go and work on this internet thing, trying to get it steady and up and running. I know I've said this a gazillion times, but I actually am trying to make this work. It's just, I don't know. It's, I think that it's good, and then suddenly it's not. So that's my problem. Too long of a video. I was gonna try to keep it at 5 minutes or something. We've gone 18, so hopefully this is beneficial to some of you, and see you on the next one.